Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about quicksort algorithm. Okay, the basic understanding about quicksort is like each element are getting sorted in correct position each time. Like let's take the example as 54. Okay, then each time 54 is getting arranged into its correct position. That is like here the partition function definition is given. Like this function takes first element as pivot, places the pivot element at its correct position in sorted array, and place all smaller elements to the left of pivot and all greater elements to right of pivot. Okay, you get right? Like 54 is arranged into some position such that if the elements which are less than 54 are at left side, and the elements which are higher than 54 are at right side to 54. That means 54 is in correct position. So we have to perform this for every element, right? So that everything should be in its correct sorted position. So for doing that, each time for doing the element to get in correct position, we require partition function. Okay, like first we'll take the pivot element as first element, and we'll take I equal to left and j equal to r. That is I equal to first position, j equal to last position. Okay, and each time, okay, forget about this while loop I less than j. I will explain about that. Okay, each time we increase the I value when we, the value of the left mark here, you can see, right? The value at left mark is less than the pivot, our taken pivot. Then we'll increase the value and we'll run that till we reach the element greater than our pivot element. Since because we want this the element which is greater to be at right side, right? So we'll stop at this when we reach the element greater than pivot element. Okay. Similarly, we'll run the j or iterate j to left side or decrease j till we'll reach the value greater than, sorry, like less than pivot element. Like if we see the value less than the pivot element, then we'll stop the right mark. Okay, so that we can swap these two. Then we can observe that the elements less than pivot will be at left side. So you can see here we have exchanged the elements 93 and 20, and we have to run this inside loop till I less than j, sorry, till I greater than j. So we have to run while I less than j. Means when they cross, we have to leave or break the loop. So after this while loop, we will reach the all elements exactly which are less than the pivot element, first left element. You can see, right? And we'll reach the elements all greater than elements to one side. Now at last, we will swap the pivot element and this right mark, so that the 54 will, this pivot element will reach here. Okay, and that one will reach here, so that every element to left will be less than 54 and every element to right of this pivot will be greater. So 54 is at correct position. So 54 is in its correct position. Now we have to do to it left side and to it right side array. That is, we have to call the quicksort algorithm or the partition algorithm to its left and right. That means we will write one function to quicksort and it will return the, initially it will take the this pivot, okay, as partition function, and each time we'll call quicksort of low, and at its, what will say, this j, that is this point, okay, after all execution where the pivot element is there, okay, because we have to call to its left side and to its right side quicksort algorithm. So this function is about that. See, like here you can observe, after 7 got into correct position, again we have to call the partition algorithm or quicksort algorithm to its left and to its right. Right here 0 2, this will take low and high, and 4 5, this will take, again this is for next iteration, okay. So each time it gets called, okay, again after execution of this, again it will gets called here quicksort of 0 0 and quicksort of 2 2. This means it has reached the base case, that is low equal to high, so we do not return anything. This is all about quicksort. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment below. That's it. Thank you guys. Please do subscribe.